everybody, we are here at Compass Cove. This is the second day. I just wanted to have some fun. There's a game outside from the backyard. There's some people. There's a little shack over there somewhere. This place is 5 hotels combined together. If you're wondering what that noise is, that's one of the customers that well, not customers, but employees that are blowing the leaves out. And by the way, I bought some new toys. I bought this Mega for Octo. You already know Octo. Well, I probably didn't name him in the video, but this is Octo's dad. His name is Richard. Richo. And yes, of course, it flips. I have to put down... No, wait, do I have to? This thing is literally so big that you literally have to punch it to flip it. And then shake it a little. Do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight, and get down tonight. Wait. And then there's the other side. So it's basically Octo, but like different faces on different things. I have these. I have this. Then I have wristband.
At Southern New Hampshire University, we never stop celebrating.
Gotta clip it there, but I'm not gonna do it because I only have one hand. Then I have this.
You experienced when he was cheating with you or his girlfriend. So all of this together means, in your mind's eye, he's cheating. If you find out that he is still cheating, you
Boop, boop, boop.
I'm not gonna keep cooking my kids myself.
Well, he was saying shake my hand and call the
Boop,
fans off here.
boop, boop.
Should be a great clash of styles convention.
So yeah, it also spins.
Hill and Crescent
And yeah. Oh yeah, here's the other thing that Octo's good at. Octo's good at being a helicopter. Octo's dad, on the other hand, is also good at being a helicopter. Watch this. Hello, Dad, by the way. Now, watch. Octo's dad is a helicopter. Watch. Okay, you couldn't really get that. Hey, Dad, can you hold the camera while I make Octo helicopter? So yeah, this is Octo's dad.
This bottle
Watch.
embodies memories of you and your lifetime of,
Wow,
loving
that's
being a
pretty good.
woman and having soft, natural scents around you. You never
So yeah, when you come here to Compass Cove, you rather get one of these. That's your key. You gotta scan it. You gotta scan it by scanning the circle, or you can get a card like normal hotels. I myself like the wristbands because they're waterproof. And then, ooh, wait, Dad, are the keys waterproof? The cards? Oh, well, you can also not lose the wristband key easily. I mean, you can lose the card easily, but you can't lose the wristband easily because the card can't really stick to you. It just stays with you, stays in the room if you have more than one. And then, yeah.
Favorite tickets. We're off to a horrible start. But we can overcome it.
Wristband.
Houses, landmarks, or major highways during takeoff.
Literally anything. I've had so many delicious snacks. They're
You say ballpark when Route 2 is when you get.
So yeah, that's the new toys I have.
Protect you from
Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Do you want to see him be a helicopter one more time? I'll show you him one more time. I need you to record the octopus again.
Okay.
Possibly members of Congress could be
Wait.
subpoenaed, including Kevin McCarthy,
Turn it
who
this
spoke
way.
to former President Trump during the insurrection. And
3,
just last night, we learned
2,
Congressman Jim Jordan
1,
spoke to
go.
Trump on January 6th.
Wow, that's pretty good.
He found his skills straight from his son. And now let's see one more thing. Oh no, I didn't catch that on camera.
Could he and should he be subpoenaed?
Look, anything's possible. Obviously,
Oh, he landed.
he wouldn't have the ability to
Where'd he go? He went behind there. Ah, he too thick. He too thick. Okay, please like and subscribe. He landed again. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.
access communications between the
And share to others if you think others will like this video.
executive privilege, which I think
Goodbye.